Hey there, curious minds! Ever wondered how to train your very own AI model? Well, you're in luck because today, I'm breaking it down for you in the simplest way possible. Let's get started. First off, what is generative AI? Think of it like an artist. You provide the tools and some examples, and it creates something new and unique. Cool, right? Step 1. Gather your data. Your AI model needs examples to learn from. These can be images, text, or even sound files. The more data you have, the better your model will be. Just make sure your data is clean and relevant. No one likes messy data. Step 2. Choose the right algorithm. For beginners, I recommend starting with something simple like a neural network. It's like the Lego of AI. You can build complex things, but one block at a time. Now, step 3. Train your model. This is where the magic happens, folks. Using your data, the algorithm learns patterns and relationships. It's kind of like teaching a child to recognize animals. Show them enough pictures of cats, and they'll start to recognize a cat anywhere. To train your model, you'll need a platform. Google's TensorFlow and PyTorch are popular choices. They're free and have tons of tutorials. Just follow the steps and you'll be good to go. Step 4. Evaluate and improve. Once your model is trained, test it with new data to see how well it performs. If it's not accurate, that's okay. Tweak your data and training process and try again. Remember, practice makes perfect. Finally, step 5. Deploy your model. You can use it in apps, websites, or even on your phone. Imagine having your own AI assistant tailored to your needs. How awesome is that? So to recap, gather your data, choose the right algorithm, train your model, evaluate and improve, and deploy your model. It's that simple. Ready to dive in? Start small, stay curious, and have fun with it. AI is the future, and you're now a part of it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Catch you next time.